150 words is the single worst length you can write on Upwork. Every cover letter guide says keep it under 150. We measured 133,872 real proposals. They're wrong. Reply rate is U-shaped. Letters between 100 and 149 words reply at 6.7%. Under 50 words, 9.4. Over 400, 12.2. A rushed one-liner beats a polished middle. This is the top-performing template in our data. 24 words, 21 agency teams sent it 1,626 times. It replied at 15.25% against a 7.45 baseline. The first 3 words outweigh the next 200. Hi, I noticed replies at 3.6%. Hi, I just recently wrapped a similar project, 11.6. Same letter underneath, 3 times the result. The best opener we found is I'd be happy to help at 19.9%. The worst. Hi, thanks for posting at 1.9, 10 times apart. And no cover letter guide mentions it. Your closing line does the same thing. Signing off with your company name replied at 1.38%. Ending with a question replied at 21.17. Same letter above the signature. There's no single best cover letter. Design and creative peaks under 100 words with a video offer, 20.2%. Web and mobile dev peaks at 100 to 199. Copy the recipe for your category. Before you hand this to a model, handwritten templates beat GPT-4o letters, 8.13% to 7.13. The AI writes the average letter. The average letter doesn't get replies. We built a free scorer into the article. Paste your letter. It grades it against every signal in this dataset and tells you exactly which one you're missing. 9 copy-paste samples, the full phrase data, and the scorer are all in the article. And if you'd rather not write these at all, GigRadar bids for you. GigRadar.i-o, link below.